Alright, champions. So it's been a couple of weeks since we've extracted that honey. 24th of March 2025, here we are today. The plan of attack today is just to see how these guys are faring after I've just put those empty supers back on. I'm starting off the blue hive first because I really want to get into that white deep that you see there and see how it went. So I'll just quickly rip off these little supers. Looks like the bees are doing some work in there, so we'll worry about that a little later. This is my main concern at the moment. So as you remember, last time we put an excluder between the white deep and the blue deep, and essentially what I'm trying to do is what I did with the with Team Red, is turn this into a super, and I'll let all the brood sort of hatch, and then yeah, hopefully just make this all honey. So yeah, straight off the bat, here we go. We got comb all over the place. I guess this is the joy of working with foundationless frames. So yeah, the joy of this is on both ends of this deep, the two outside frames are sort of stuck with the next inside frame. Yeah. Anyway, we'll just work through this as best we can for now. So the game plan at the moment is really just to investigate and see what's going on, and make a decision what I'm going to do. I know, I just got a feeling about this blue hive that something's wrong. As you can see here, yeah, it's not even lined up. So yeah. Alright, we'll just put that back for now and just look at the rest and see what's happening. So here we go, starting to get in the frames. As you can see, there's still brood. Obviously, there's a lot of honey stores there, and as you can see, the majority of it's capped, but we've still got brood in there. So I don't know, it's been 2 weeks, probably another week all this brood should hatch, because even looking through it now, what is left here, I'm actually seeing bees hatch. So yeah, it might even be a few days and all this brood is hatched out, and now we've got empty frames. At the moment I can't see any eggs. Is there any larvae? We'll just keep checking. We're getting in towards the center here, so this should be a bit more telling. So yeah, still no eggs. It's pretty much just cap brood. But I know, I'm sort of surprised that it's still here. I know, maybe I'm out. Let me know. I've given it 2 weeks since I put that excluder on. Is that enough? Maybe another week would do the trick. 3 weeks. Yeah. Those more experienced, leave me some tips in the comments. So man, there's just a bucket load of brood in here, but no eggs, no larvae, so I really don't think the queen is up here. Like I mentioned before, there's a queen excluded between the white deep and the blue deep, so I guess we'll just see. We'll give it another week and see what happens, see if all this hatches, and then what. Yeah, still no queen, still no eggs. So I'll just keep working through, just keep inspecting these frames. All honey, not fully drawn. And yeah, getting down to the last two frames that are sort of merged again like the first two are. It's pretty messy. Just like on the other end, empty frame, and then the second frame in is this big wonky cone frame. Alright, so before we think about what we're going to do here and tidy up this white deep, because I don't really want to leave that comb like that, I haven't been into this brood box, the blue brood box, for a while now, so let's actually see if we can see what's going on down here, which may give us a bit of a hint to what's happening up the top here. Lots of bees. Like both of these colonies seem to have, plenty of bees. Team Red's on fire at the moment, but I don't know if you remember a few months ago, it was blue that was just way ahead. Now, I know there just doesn't seem to be as much activity on the blue hive compared to the red, but let's just have a look in here and see if we can get any sort of idea. Alright, so we got some honey stores, but there's some pollen in here, but nothing, no brood. Right, I think we'll just start working towards the center and just see what's going on here. I'd really like to be seeing some brood, some larvae, some eggs, at least letting us know that we have a queen. So, no queen spotted, and there's not really anything on this frame. It's pretty light, a bit of pollen here and there, but that's about it. Alright, same story. So got a bit of stores around the top of the frame, yeah, the middle of this comb's empty. Like, we're in the middle of this deep at the moment, and there is no brood. So what we're looking at is I know about 6 or so frames on the from the white deep that have brood, no larvae, no eggs, and then down here in this deep, we've got nothing. I mean, there's the odd bit of capped brood that is probably going to hatch within days, but apart from that, it doesn't look to be anything else down here. Right. I'll keep going through these frames, just see if we got a queen, see if we got any eggs, but at the moment, nothing. So we could be looking at a queenless hive right now. Alright, what to do? Alright, I think what I'm going to do is we'll put that white deep down the bottom that has at least some brood there, and I'm going to quickly try and sort of rebuild this hive a bit. We'll get the brood down the bottom, get rid of those wonky honeycombs. I'll just piece it together. I'll get some combs out of the blue deep here that have a bucket load of open cells. If there is a queen still there, at least she'll have somewhere to lay. I know. I'm just trying to set this white box up as best as I can to sort of like a brood box. I'll leave some stores just on the outside, and then keep all the brood frames in, and add any empty frames I've got from the blue box. Not sure what we're going to do here. Looking for the queen again. Just looking for anything, but it's looking a bit average, really. Although there's a bucket load of bees, so if the queen is bailed, she's only just bailed recently, I'd say, or maybe well, it could have been last time we were in, couldn't it? Have you experienced this before? Let me know in the comments. Or if there are some better methods on how to sort of set these things up. Let me know. I think I'll pretty much just reassemble this hive right now and sort of get this bit of a brood chamber thing happening, reassemble the hive again, and just have a quick think about what we're going to do. I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I feel there's something wrong, so I might have to do a little bit of experimenting over the next week or so, and see if we can't come up with some sort of solution. Alright, we'll just put these supers back on and have a quick think about how we're going to play this. Alright, if you've got any ideas of what you do, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Alright, I'll come up with something and I'll post another video soon. So the job is not done.